YouTube. Alright, my boys. Today, the homie hit me up. A little car meet, 9 p.m. It's a little park and chill. But I hope it's not just a park and chill, because I'm trying to get it cracking. Out the back, we're going to go see what's up. Probably get a little pulls, a little run. My shit slow, so I'm most likely being back. Let me see what it's all about tonight. We get a little pool right here in the cut. Little something. Right now, I'll probably hit a little parking lot, get a couple pictures. After that, meet up with the homies, see what's up. But stay tuned, y'all. That shit gonna be a movie.
Tryna stay away from rats, cause a nigga gotta cheese. Shout out my nigga Tony, all you niggas phony. Go off a molly, swear it's in a pony. Bitch tryna cut a wine, tryna keep it cozy. Bust in a bitch, now put a reload. Can't get enough. Feel the rest when I'm messing enough. Me and your bitch, we turn the sheets, I can bang that. Kinda running from the dick, she can't take that. Let me cover around her waist, take the skirt.
I'm not tuned, so baby burbles. Fuck. Yeah, man, just put it to the little spot. I'll take some little flicks. She a little dirty right now, but still look cool. Love this shit. I came to this empty parking lot. It's pretty known in my area, but I like coming here because, I mean, there's not a lot of people the majority of the time, and there's always like 2-hour free parking. But it's a 335i. All I got is a downpipe, so I'm pretty stocked. Right now, I'm gonna meet up with the boys, see what's up, see what we get into, man. See how the night goes. Hopefully, we could bump into some other people that are active, get some runs. Cause the homie got some 340s. They come with the B58. And the homie got a downpipe, and he's pretty quick off the back. But we're gonna see what's up. Like I said, my shit stock. I mean, all I got is the downpipe. We get a little pool, just so you guys can hear a little something. Little baby burbles soon. For sure gotta tune it. Cause I be seeing these guys with the M55 putting in work, to be honest. I've been trying to learn how to take off too. Cause I know if you get a good takeoff, those little flags come out. I've been trying to figure that out, but let's see what's up. So I'm trying to take off with the little flags. You know, when you get a good takeoff, the little flags come out. I can't figure that out. Right now, I was about to start burning out. I'm pull up on the homie right now, see what's up. So on our way to the meet, the homie with the 340 wanted to race the other homie with the Extreme M. So they were just gonna get a couple runs, but this was on our way to the meet.
He wants to get a run. He wants to run it.
B58 dead.
Went to a race, but like a car, and then headers only.
Just seen his bait for
New Live, that shit look wet. 2026, right? Yeah. Check out the homie shit from the inside. Gutted the fuck out. Who need it? Who want it? Come get it, my boy. That one-seater shit. I like the paint too. Blue.
Yeah? And I still take out shit with.
It was just stock everything? All stock?
No, downpipe. Just downpipe.
Just downpipe?
Just downpipe, gut it out, gapping fools.
Literally full.
That's right.
Wow.
Yo, Lexus in the cut, that shit look cool.
That shit. Hey, I eat ass. I love that plane. I should get that.
Little ambient, little neon lines in the cut. That's right. Alfa Romeo looking smooth.
Not bad.
Homie pulled a little extra M. This one kind of hard though. That's just catless downpipe. 2026 on 340 shit wet. This was after the meet. It was a little park and chill. So on the way out, you know how it goes. We just start revving, sunlight. boy wanted to race the homie with the XGM. He kind of jumped. The homie, the 340, jumped on him. So you can kind of see him catching up towards the end. But he had to lay off because there was a current from him. Got to the spot. The meet was chill, little parking chill. Homie pulled up with his truck. We're gonna get a little smoke session. Call it a night. See what's up next time on the next meet. Maybe get some pools, some digs. That's it.